pressure cooked pasta, and we've got instant cheese sauce. This cheese is made in less than 3 minutes, and it's super silky, super creamy, loaded with beta glucan fiber for my microbes. Oh yeah. And this meal couldn't get any faster. I have busy day chili on the stovetop. I'm going to serve this as the base and then put the chili on top with some plant-based yogurt.
Is that red lentil chili?
Oh yeah, red lentil chili on the stovetop. I have so many chili recipes, I can't even keep my own chili recipes straight. Look at how good that looks. In an instant cheese sauce. This is my favorite cheese sauce out of all the cheese sauces on protectivediet.com. With the pressure cooked pasta, it's like instant mac and cheese. That's right. I put it on top of a bed of lettuce. You know how I do this. I like to veg it up. And then here's my red lentil chili, stovetop red lentil chili. And I vegged that up. I had some extra bell peppers, so I threw them all in. So this is super peppered up. And don't forget to include the seeds from inside your bell peppers. Those are some super fiber for your fiber-loving microbes that will produce butyrate, the short-chain fatty acid that is anti-inflammatory when we eat plant fiber. So include those free fibers of the seeds from your sweet bell peppers. And then on top of this, you know what goes on top of this. A little plant-based yogurt as sour cream. And then this is the Sprout and Kraut Cafe, you know. So we have to add some ruby raw kraut. That goes on everything. It just zings everything up. And we always have plenty around here to go around. So that's just another example of how to use instant cheese sauce on a protective diet. Take care.
And best of health, it's time to eat.